Hi friends! Welcome to our zoo-tastic adventure today. Let's meet some amazing animals you can find at the zoo. Hi!
Lion. Here's the king of the jungle, the mighty lion. Lions have golden fur and loud roars. Elephant. Look at this gentle giant, the elephant. Elephants have big ears and long trunks. Giraffe. Wow! Check out the tall and graceful giraffe. Giraffes have long necks and spots on their bodies. Penguin. BRR. Say hi to the penguin. Penguins are birds that can't fly, but they swim super fast. Monkey. Ooh ooh ah ah. Here's the playful monkey swinging from branch to branch. Monkeys have long tails and love to climb trees. Tiger. Gore. Meet the tiger, with its beautiful orange fur and black stripes. Tigers are fierce hunters and love to swim. I had so much fun showing you these awesome zoo animals today. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.
Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel for more awesome adventures, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye bye.